Hello children. Today we are going to start about the civics first chapter, that is understanding diversity. So let's start the chapter. In this chapter we study about the meaning of diversity, positive aspects of the diversity and diversity in India. Meaning of diversity. Yes dear children, what do you mean by diversity? Diversity means a state of being diverse. We see different types of people in our surroundings. They are in different dresses. Example, some wear dhoti kurta while some other wear kurta pajama, etc. They speak different languages such as Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, etc. They follow different religions. Example, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, etc. In fact, diversity is a range of many people or things that are different from one another. Diversity is a fact and is found in all walks of life. We can see various forms of diversity in our social, cultural, and political, economic, and geographical environment. People are different from one another in many ways. We do not look exactly like each other. We also differ in terms of language we speak, our cultural backgrounds, the religious rituals that we follow, etc. Diversity enriches and enlivens the whole spectrum of a society. India provides the prismatic spectrum of diversity. However, the thread of diversity weave the wrap and weft of a impregnable unity. Now let's have a look about the positive aspects of diversity. Diversity adds to our lives. The various differences that diversity includes actually enriches our lives in many ways. We can be friends with people who are very different from us. This can enrich our quality of life. We can eat a variety of food that are different from food that we eat normally. We can enjoy by celebrating different festivals, wearing different clothes, and learning different languages. Diversity enriches our knowledge. When we read a good story, even in the languages, we feel happy because it gives a lot of ideas. The authors also get a lot of ideas from the diversity to write stories or books. They get ideas from different books and the real life situations. They imagine on the basis of the available facts. For example, the Gita Govinda was written by Jayadeva in Sanskrit language, but it is used even today by dancers of different dance forms throughout the country. We read and write different kinds of stories or books. They may relate to real account of various kings and queens, stories about the love and honor, forest and fight and friendship between people and animals, etc. It would not be possible for storyteller and writer to write such stories or books by living in one place. Now, let's have a look about the diversity in India. India is a land of diversities. The people of India speak a number of languages, eat various types of foods, celebrate different festivals, and follow different religions. There are 8 major religions in the world. All of them are practiced in India. We have more than 1600 dialects. There are more than 100 dance forms in India. Now, we'll read about the characteristics of diversity in India. The following are the characteristics of diversity in India. Like different languages we speak, many religions, different cultures, festivals, dance and music, art and sculpture, food habits, and clothes. Now let us read about these characteristics in detail now. The people of India speak different languages. The 8th schedule of Indian Constitution recognizes 22 languages. Apart from these, there are many local languages that reflects our diversity. Now, many religions. The people of India have the freedom to follow any religion. That's why our country is known as secular country. The main religions in India are Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, Christianity, and Zoroastrianism. Besides, there are many customs and rituals in these regions. Despite these religious diversity, we have a harmonious secular fabric. See, these are different religions in our country. Now, different cultures. Culture refers to the custom and belief, art, and the way of life and social organization of a particular group or a country. The people of India have different cultural backgrounds. See, these are the culture of our country. India is a very diverse country and different religions have their own distinct culture. Language, religion, food, and the art are just some of the various aspects of Indian culture. Now, festivals. As you all know, children, we celebrate so many festivals. Festivals may be linked to the religions, crops, national pride, etc. Some festivals are based on the religions. The Hindus celebrate festivals like Dashera, Diwali, Holi, etc. The Muslim and the Christians celebrate Eid and Christmas respectively. Some festivals are celebrated on regional basis such as Onam, Pongal, Guru Parv, Bihu, etc. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are the national festivals that are celebrated all over the country. These celebrations are shared by members of different regional and religious communities. See, these are different famous festivals of our country such as Ganesh Chaturthi, Mahavir Jayanti, Eid, etc. Now, dance and music. Diversity in India exists in the field of dance and music also. There are mainly two kinds of dance forms in India, classical and folk. Classical dance also has many forms such as Kathak in North India, Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, Kathakali in Kerala, Odissi in Orissa, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri in Manipur, etc. Folk dances are simpler and mostly based on the seasons. Music is also divided into classical and folk. Folk music is mainly sung during the festivals and weddings. Film music has also been very popular throughout the country. See, these are different classical dance forms of our country. Now, art and sculpture. It is also in the varied form. It is mostly related to the religion. For example, the Buddhist art, etc. The Buddhist art is based on the teachings of Buddha. See, these are the sculptures of our country. Now comes food habits. The people of different regions have different food habits. For example, the people of Punjab like makke di roti and sarson da saag, while the people of Bihar like to eat litti and chokha, chura and dahi, etc. See, these are different food habits of our country, food items of our country. Now, clothes. The choice of Indian people also differ in terms of clothes. In a traditional Hindu family, male members generally wear dhoti and kurta, while female members wear sari. Muslims, male generally wear kurta pajama and lungi, while women wear burqa. Punjabi males keep pagdi or turban on their heads. Even the style of tying the turban differ from state to state. Punjabi women wear shalwar kameez with a dupatta. The women in Gujarat wear lehenga and choli, while in Kerala they wear mundu and blouse. See, these are traditional Indian dresses of our country. Thank you, children. Have a great day ahead.